family problems, friends problems, work, business, church, school. You keep carrying everything on everyone, but give little attention to yourself. Let me ask you something. If your body, mind, and soul could speak to you today, what would they say? Would they say, thank you for loving me? Thank you for caring for me? Thank you for resting me? Or would they say, you only use me, but never take care of me? Think about it. The day your body can no longer carry you, many of the things stressing you now will continue without you. Work will move on. Businesses will move on. People will adjust. Some friends may genuinely miss you for a while. Others who never checked on you may suddenly post long tributes online. And sadly, some people may secretly feel relieved that they no longer have to watch your progress or success. This is not about hating people. This is not about becoming selfish or becoming mean. This is about remembering that you matter too. Because you cannot pour from an empty cup. You cannot keep saving everyone while destroying yourself quietly. Self-love is not weakness. Self-care is not selfishness. Take care of yourself too.